Today we making Sheftalia's Cypriot pork sausages. To start, we need the banana. Clean him lots of water, to salt, 100 ml vinegar. Fill him up with the water, then leave him relax a little bit. Get some onions, dice them nice. 1 bunch of parsley and mint. Chop them all up. 2 kilos of Greek pork, the mince meat. Put in 1 bowl, little bit white wine, salt, pepper, and we put in some cinnamon also. Put inside the leaves, add all the onions. Now mix him up and combine him properly. Take some mix, make him to nice balls so it's going faster, and have the ready at the side. Drain him the banana, stretch him a little bit your board. Take him 1 bowl, squeeze him a little bit, and make him like sausage. Put him inside. Now roll him so it's covered nice. Cut him, you see? Easy. And keep going, you're done. They're all gonna be a little bit different, but don't be scary. You put how much banana you need. Put him on the charcoal. We start them a little bit more slowly, the heat. The first turn, we do the half turn. After, it's quarter. They're beautiful for the mezzadaglia. When it's coming more close for the 60, we're gonna drop him and give them the color. If your barbecue, it doesn't go to the hydraulic, scratch him up a little bit, it's gonna make it more hot. When I got the color and you happy how it's cooking, it's done. Put her the plate, squeeze her much more lemon at the top. She's bloody beautiful, mate.